Xin chào. Hello everyone. So today I will teach you to learn how to say what's your name and how old are you in Vietnamese. So let's go to the first thing, asking the name in Vietnamese. Bạn tên là gì? Bạn tên là gì? This means what is your name? You can use other personal pronouns to be a subject in this question. You can use anh tên là gì? Or em tên là gì? Or chị tên là gì? So, and have other way, shorter. You don't need to use là. You can ask bạn tên gì? Anh tên gì? Em tên gì? That means what is your name as well. For answering, you can answer my name is or I am. With my name is, you can say tên tôi là Mike or tôi là Mike. So that's the two way you can answering if somebody asking you what is your name. But be careful, you have to pick what personal pronoun you call yourself to be matching with the people talking to you. Now let's come to see how to asking the age in Vietnamese. Bạn bao nhiêu tuổi? Bạn the subject. You can use other subject like anh, em, chị or other. Bao nhiêu tuổi? Bao nhiêu is how much, how many. Tuổi is age. So, bạn bao nhiêu tuổi is how old are you? But Vietnamese people, they're speaking very fast, so you can't hear nhiêu sometimes. So you only can hear bạn bao tuổi, anh bao tuổi. So you can't hear nhiêu. For answering, you say tôi, number of the age, and then tuổi. Example, tôi 30 tuổi. So in the short video, I will introduce you how to ask the name and how to ask the age in Vietnamese. When the first people meeting, they're always asking you the name and the age. And after that, you can choose the personal pronouns to communicate with, because a lot of people in Vietnam, they will choose personal pronouns depend how old are you. I hope the video to help you a bit in the way you study Vietnamese. So if you have any question, you can leave a feedback or comment below in this video. Thank you so much. Ciao.